What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Welcome back to the garage. My name is Thomas. If you enjoy Daily Car Guy content, be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't miss any of my videos. Well, today could be a very exciting or either a very boring day. I don't know yet. The one thing I know is I gotta start the day by picking up a new timing belt for the Golf. So that's what I'm gonna start with. And yeah, cold start in 3, 2, 1. Well guys, they didn't have any belts. Luckily I didn't need one today. It's planned for something I want to do in the future, maybe next video or the video after that. But it's on order. Ordered the new timing belt and tensioner. So that's something that will be coming, but not today. Well guys, let's come to the essence of this video. I came here to this nice and calm spot to make this video. Yes, the car is a bit dirty. Winter is coming, so please forgive me her dirtiness. But on to point number 1. The essence of the video is I'm gonna talk to you about my favorite mods. I got 5, which I noted down. I can go on and on and on, but yeah, I thought I'd only come to telling you 5 of my favorites. The first mod I did, and is my favorite mod because it totally changes the look of your car, is lowering. The car is lowered, it's on coilovers. As you can see, the wheel is nicely tucked in. Even if you do this on a standard car with standard wheels, makes the car look a lot better. The wheel arches are nicely filled when you do it, so it already makes your car stand out a lot when just lowering it. And my second point, just like the guys from Friedman Industries say, wheels, tires and suspension. My second favorite mod is getting new wheels. Before these ones, these are the JR6 wheels from Japan Racing. Before this, I rode on my Audi Pepper pots, which were re-drilled to be able to fit on my car, which is a 4x100 and not a 5x100. So, mod number 2, wheels. When your car's lowered and you got some nice wheels, that really makes a difference. Your car looks a lot cleaner. Well, I drove around for, I think, 4 years, only lowered, with a new set of wheels and good tires, of course. And yeah, I really loved it, but things got to change sometimes and you got to go to the extremes. And for my third favorite mod, I did open up the hood because it is under the hood. No, it's not the engine, it's nothing special, not the turbo, not anything like that. My third favorite mod is a cold air intake. Don't mind the mess under here, but this one, I don't really think with these things brands matter. So I didn't go K&N, I think it's a Green Racing filter. That's what the brand's called. It's from France, but it changes the sound of your car a lot for not that many cash. For this one, I think I paid about 60 euros. K&Ns are about 100, I think. But the reason I gone for a little more expensive one is just because the use of materials and you can clean them out, which saves you buying a new one. You can get $15 ones, but I think they're paper, you cannot really clean them out. And it's not for the horsepowers. I really didn't do it for any horsepowers. I don't really believe it adds to any horsepowers unless you go into tuning and mapping and do all that stuff, which I don't plan on doing with this car. It doesn't even have a computer on board. But just for the sheer sound of it, when you open up the intake, give it more air, it gets a little more rumbly. And for my fourth favorite mod, I've come to the back of the car. You know, it's a very recent mod. If you watched any of my latest videos, I'll throw some in the description below. It's the rear muffler delete. I really love it. Finally got some backfires, got a few pops, got a nice rumble to the car. It is a cheap mod. It's free. If you just cut the mufflers out, then it's just a free mod. You save some weight. Not that I really care about it. Do you gain horsepower? I don't know. I don't care. I just want a little rumble, and the muffler combined with the cold air intake in the front makes the sound experience when driving the car just a lot more fun. You don't go any faster, at least I don't think I go any faster, but just the sheer driving experience, the sound you get when you're going through a tunnel, which I love doing by the way, is just so much more fun. And then for my fifth favorite mod, well, this kind of differs. If it wasn't for being this car, I probably wouldn't go as extreme as I did. But a nice upgraded audio system. Yes, I've gone a bit overboard with this one, doing full door installs, doing A-pillars, and fitting a subsystem where the back seat used to be, but just changing out speakers, getting a new head unit when it's a bit old. It's a nice mod to do, especially when you like listening to some music like I do. I am kind of an audio freak, that's why I went extreme, but you don't have to. Just upgrading speakers and a new head unit gives you a whole different experience. I know if you drive a car like maybe a Porsche or I don't know, whatever sports car, you may not want to do this because it doesn't really matter with those cars. They're made for driving sporty and even going to the track or something. But just for me as a daily driver, I really enjoy having it and I just make a lot of fun with it. I got an extra, just a little extra special mod for you guys, but I'm gonna tell you this one when I get home. So I'm back at the garage. Guys, as promised, a sixth favorite mod of mine. Well, it's stupid it only comes in sixth place, but I do really like this mod because it makes the car really stand out, make it special. And I don't think in Belgium there's one Golf driving around like this, but it's the white body I did. I really like it. It changes the look of the car entirely. Well, the only problem I have is the front piece here that's missing, but all in all, and just the sheer thing of saying I drive with 10-inch wide wheels in the back of my Golf MK3, well, it's just crazy. So that's my sixth favorite mod. Then again, one little problem I still have, and I've always had it, even when the car was before the wide body, it was a bit lower, a whole bit lower. But the sheer problem I have with the car is when you lower a Golf, especially the MK3s, you get a whole void right here in the back underneath the bumper, and it always makes it seem like the car is really high up, even though it isn't. So I want to be tackling that. I've been looking into getting a rear diffuser for the Golf. I don't know yet. Will I get one? Will I make one myself? Guys, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think I should do? Do I make one myself and make a few episodes for the channel out of it? Or do I buy one and install it? And well, that will obviously also be seen on the channel, not in a video series. Well, making my own kit, my own diffuser, will probably be 2 to 3 videos instead of, well, just getting one and installing it being probably 1 video. So be sure to let me know in the comments. And guys, if you wanna know which mods are illegal on this car where I live and have me make a video about it and talk about it, also let me know down in the comments below. And that will bring us to the end of this video. As always guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, drop that comment down below, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.